What about you? Let's get started. So the first exercise is push-up. Ready? 10. Okay, let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, one more. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1.
11, 12, 13.
Okay, next exercise. Open your legs. Okay, open your legs. Now sit on this leg. Like that. Yeah. Get up. Other side. Huh? Yeah. This side. Nice. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
11.
Oh yeah. Leg पीछे हाँ अभी देखो यूं फिर ऊपर Yeah. Yes, do it more too. Hurry up. Huh? Let's see. More power. Oh my God. Oh, get your leg like this. No need to move. Stay strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other leg. Now the other leg. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good one. Now open your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10. हो गया? अब आपने क्या करना है? Put your leg here and like that. हाँ. 1, 2. बैठो ना. कुर्सी बनाओ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg. Put it here. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Nice one. Oh. Oh yeah. So next exercise. Next exercise is you need to touch your legs on your butt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Oh. Nice. Yeah. Oh my God. It was good exercise today. Thank you very much. Or stay healthy and stay safe. Okay? Promise? Daily exercise. Okay? See you next time.